Hey, this is Dan Elder from Kidasa Software. If you have a problem where you load up Milestones and it does not seem to load, and it looks like it's actually loaded, the problem is it loaded on a different monitor. So to fix that, first you have to hover over the icon in the bottom. Then you have to close this window on the right, the startup choices. So just click on the X. I think you can also right click and choose close. But once you do that, then you should have just this window left. And then you have to right click on that. So just kind of hover over again and right click. And then you should have that option to move window to primary monitor. So once you do that, then it should load onto your monitor and it should be fixed. So I'll just kind of show that process again. You can see the right window needs to be closed. And then after closing that right window, then you right click on the remaining window and move that to primary monitor. And then it should be fixed. Have a nice day. Be sure to visit our website at kidasa.com.